Here we are going to be creating a histogram for this given data. Data is GPA of 80 students in a class. First step before making a histogram is to determine how many classes we want to make. For that, we usually look at the minimum and maximum values. Okay. For this data, to find minimum, we use Excel function min, and to find maximum, we use Excel function max. Okay. And for maximum, we use the max function. Looks like our data goes from 0.91 to 4. So looking at the minimum and maximum values, we can have 4 classes, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. So now we need to count how many we have in each class interval. For that, we can use histogram tool in data analysis. For that, first we need to create bin. Bin will be basically list of boundary values for the class interval. Okay. But make sure not to use the smallest and largest value while making bin table. Now, so we will have 1, 2, 3 for our bin values. Now go to Data tab and go to Data Analysis. Sometime the data analysis is there, but if you're using your Excel for the first time, your data analysis might not be there. So if your data analysis is not there, you need to go to File, Options, and go to Add-ins, and look at the bottom for Manage Excel Add-ins, and hit Go. Then the dialog box like this one will pop up, and make sure Analysis Tool Pack is checked and hit OK. Now data analysis should be there. So click on Data Analysis, then find Select Histogram and hit OK. So for your input range, you need to select your data. Okay. And for your bin range, select the bin column we created, and you must check mark your labels since we included the top row also in our data selection. Then for your output, you can either select new worksheet, ply, or new workbook, or output range. So for now, I will just choose output range, and I will click anywhere in the Excel. Okay. Then you can hit chart, you can click chart output and hit OK. Now we have the histogram, but we need to make few changes. As you can see, the first bar is only for 1, which is not true. It is actually for range 0 to 1. So go to your bin table and change that to 0 to 1. Similarly for other numbers. So we have correct ranges for the bars. Okay. you can also edit access titles. Okay. And you can also edit the title of histogram. So for this one, I'm just giving it a name, histogram of GPA of graduating senior. And you can also remove the frequency legend from there. So there is one more thing we need to do. There is usually within the histogram there is no gap between bars. So we need to remove the gap between those bars. To do so, right click in any of the bars and go to Format Data Series. So Format Data Series option will appear on your right, and then you need to decrease that gap width to 0%. Okay. Now you have a histogram, but you still need to make few changes in it so that our all classes are seen in there. So to do that, you need to go to Format and do Shape Fill. So you can, for this one, you can decide what color you want to choose. So choose some light color so that shape is clearly seen. And for shape outline, I will just pick some dark color. Okay. So yeah, you can see your histogram now. So this is how you make the histogram.